Hey guys, here to talk to you about this spot. This actually looks like it's a coffee spill in a Cadillac with light beige carpet. There's some other spots too, but this car is going to be sold and it actually does need full cleaning, but I'm just going to show you how to remove spots that are organic. Organic meaning anything that's God made. So if God made it, it's naturally occurring and it's a dye. Then if you add oxygen, it just disappears. So I'm gonna use the trashed green gel concentrate. And one of the things it does have, it's oxygenated. So I'm gonna add that into a spotter that has water. And I'm gonna follow the direction. This is a concentrate, so you need very little. I'm gonna use this concentration, 1/2 ounce to a gallon, which is 4 pumps. Each time you pump it, it's about 1/8 of an ounce. So I'm gonna put 1 in here. You can also put a little bit more if you want. It's not gonna harm anything. It's got a neutral pH. So let's get a good squirt in there. There you go. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this on here. And if it's organic stain, we'll be able to see it just disappear. And I'll hold it here so you can see it lightening up. Let some, make it tighter. Okay, here we go. You want to saturate it, but don't oversaturate it because then it goes inside. So I got plenty on there, and you should wear gloves to kind of work it in, but I'm not doing that because I don't have gloves right now. But you work it in, and the organic stain that's on there is just going to slowly start lightening up. If it doesn't do anything, then it's an indication that it's not an organic stain. It could be a synthetic dye, for example, like Gatorade, Kool-Aid, or something like that. I can see it kind of lightening up quite a bit already. So it's obviously working. So when it's working, all that means is, hey, this is working, so apply more. So I'm just applying more since it's working. And this is without the cleaning. This is basically what I'm doing is I'm just using chemistry to add a molecule of oxygen. And without cleaning, as it starts lightening up, is gonna disappear. And let's just say the coffee was just organic, like coffee itself, and it didn't have any kind of other dye in it or anything, then this will just dry like the rest of it. No cleaning. So if you see it from further, you can probably tell it's a lot better. It's still got a little bit of the coffee color in it, actually, but it's lightening up quite a bit. I can hold it here for a little bit more longer so you guys can see, but you'll get a general idea how it works. And then after maybe 5 minutes, I'll come back and turn it on again so you can see. But yeah, it's kind of interesting how it actually works is there's a molecule of oxygen in hydrogen peroxide because it's H2O2 and water is H2O. So if you put H2O2 on it, this particular kind has to have surfactants in it and stuff too, and it has something to remove the oil in it too, so the creamer and stuff like that. So it just basically what it does, it gives away one molecule of oxygen, and the hydrogen peroxide itself becomes just water because H2O is water and H2O2 is hydrogen peroxide. So even though it seems kind of magical, it's because of science. I'll come back one more time and show you what it looks like. Let's let it sit here for 5 minutes. It's still kind of pretty wet. Okay, let's go back, check it out. It's been about an hour now. See, it's pretty much gone. I'd say about 95%. It's still wet though. Just leave it, start working. Check it back later. Okay. All right, here's the next day. Pretty good.